The Lenovo ThinkBook Plus might look like an ordinary laptop when it's open, but when you close it, like so, you get this EInk display on the top lid. Now, why would you want an EInk display on the top lid? Lenovo thinks it's because when you're walking around the office, you might forget which conference room you're going to. So you can simply look at your email here on the EInk display, and you see the subject line and the sender of all of your emails. Same thing with the calendar, so if you get calendar notifications on there as well. The reason for EInk, Lenovo says, is because you don't necessarily want to see your entire PC experience when it's closed. It's really for things as simple as looking something up that takes only a second. The EInk display can also be used as a sketchpad. And one of the things that I like best about the Sketchpad is that the response rate is very good. So you actually feel like you're drawing, not exactly on paper, but it's certainly slightly better than it would be drawing on an ordinary laptop screen. You can also use the ThinkBook Plus's EInk display to display ebooks. With Amazon Kindle integration, you can actually read whatever Kindle books you've got on the ThinkBook Plus's EInk screen. Now, there are a couple drawbacks to adding EInk to the top of a laptop. One is that the laptop lid is actually slightly thicker. Another is that when you go to put the laptop into your purse or backpack, you're going to need to make sure that it doesn't scratch against anything else that is in there, because although this does have a fairly tough screen made by Corning, the same people who make Gorilla Glass, it's still going to scratch if it gets in contact with a key. On the inside, of course, the ThinkBook Plus really is just like a normal laptop. It's got a great keyboard. The screen is not a touch screen, however, which means you will need to use the touchpad and the keyboard to interact with Windows. One of the nifty parts about drawing on the ThinkBook Plus is that all of your doodles, and even your notes also, will be integrated into OneNote as soon as you open the OneNote application in Windows. The ThinkBook Plus is a really wacky device. Not everyone is going to want an EInk screen on the top of their laptop, but if you frequently read ebooks, or if you find yourself lost when you're wandering from conference room to conference room at work, the ThinkBook Plus just might be the laptop for you.